truck has got to be cursed. Every single time we take it out, there's something else. Everything else went great. Transmission shot now. Got no trans brake to it. Well, the good thing is, still got 2 sets of tires that are still good. Full tank of fuel. And we didn't go through the wall. We just scattered a train.
What's going on, y'all? Today's project, we're gonna pull the transmission out of the Pro Truck. We went out last weekend to go race, put it on the track, and the transmission was almost like the converter was unlocking, but going through the corner, it would basically almost come out of gear. It had no transmission brake to it, so the truck would pick up speed going into the corner like it was put in neutral. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, send it out, get it rebuilt. And then when we get it back, we'll slap it back in and hopefully fix that issue. It was kind of coincidence because of the fire. When the truck had the electrical fire, it was doing the same thing. So we figured, oh, that was just electrical related, but no, it was transmission. So just a couple things on top of each other. But other than that though, see you down there.
Please. Huh?
Oh, talking.
Doesn't matter. You gotta be quiet.
Now the truck is bleeding.
It's been bleeding from day one. When I slammed into the wall, it was bleeding. You broke the trans, it was bleeding. And you set it on fire, it was bleeding. There's a lot of U's in that. I don't know if you noticed that.
Listen, you started it.
I started it.
Yeah, you were the one who made it fucking hurt the first time.
I gave you a ride.
It was never the same since then. It was like, fine, you want to hurt me my first ride out? I'll hurt you forever. I was never let you race again.
I don't get it. The sprint car doesn't give you problems.
Make it exciting for our YouTube fans. Sure. And the next Christine
lose
video,
that.
this truck is trying to kill us.
Make sure we don't lose that piece there.
You trust me to lose something, I'll lose something.
I don't know how much I trust you anymore.
Not much. Not much.
Lately we haven't had good luck. Now, it's this. Let's put a jack under here first.
Right by your fucking head.
And you tuck those up so that...
How am I going to cut this up?
Oh.
You want to hear it?
Remember, you give me shit. I'm the guy that puts your truck together.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look how good we're doing, huh?
It's your fault. You're the driver.
This
I never
is-
told you to set everything on fire.
Well,
And break everything.
this time wasn't my fault, I promise.
How many years have been breaking shit? Alright, watch out. I'm going to pull this dipstick out and I want you to get covered.
10 years?
There you go. You're doing pretty good. Pan. Told you to get ready. What happened?
We got a bleeder!
I'll go out all the way until we get Jack. Oh, look at that mess. You be yourself with it.
Woo, that hurt! Man,
Go towards the front with the converter.
I don't want to damage my whole man.
This one out. Alright. Lower the jack a little bit. Hold on. Lower the jack. That's fine. Slowly. so.
So slide your end back. Oh, shift the linkage. What the hell you put on? You had it on the stand.
There we go.
Jesus. Pull back on your end. That's what I didn't want to happen, but okay, we'll pull the converter out. Hook up on your end. Yeah, there you go.
Hold on! Hold on!
You've got a mess.
Hold on! We're gonna need some oil dry!
There you go. Now pull it out.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You can hear like the gear.
Yeah.
It's like clunk, 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 clunk.
I messed up everything.
Yeah, you do. At least we got shiny brake fans
And dirty wheels.
and dirty wheels. What a mess. But got it out. Now, this converter that was in it. Transmission, gonna send it off, get it rebuilt, and slap it back up in the truck. And hopefully that ends more of our issues with this truck. Well, I'm gonna drop it off. See you all in the next one.